Hi guys, we are back for the preview of the second test match between India and England. Today on call we have another fellow Maikin Alim now, Mr. Kabir Banerjee. Kabir, welcome to the panel. Uh,
Thank
जैसे
you. Thank you so much for having
लास्ट
me.
मैच में साई सुदर्शन और करुण नायर ने कमबैक किया था, बट साई सुदर्शन ने बहुत अच्छी डेब्यू इनिंग्स खेली थी। आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग आप आज वैसे नहीं
Yeah,
खेलेंगे। आप आज जायसवाल जैसे खेलेंगे जिन्होंने वेस्ट इंडीज में डेब्यू पे 100 मारा था।
बिल्कुल, absolutely. The intent is there. I hope the audience is entertained.
चल ठीक है पानी पूरी लगा फिर जैसे
जस्ट कबीर, जस्ट मेक श्योर कि तुम्हारा स्लिप कैचिंग, Kabir, you are a part of the slip cordon now, and now that we are drawing parallels
Yes.
between slip and slip cordons, remember
Yep.
that you've been equated as Jaiswal. तो please slip cordon में catches मत छोड़ना.
Okay.
Okay, with that let's
बिल्कुल,
start.
बिल्कुल. I will try my best and not live up to the name that Jaiswal has set out.
ठीक है, let's start with the topic. First topic that we are going to discuss is जसप्रीत बुमराह and his workload management. उन्होंने बीजीटी में 5 टेस्ट मैच खेली थी। फिफ्थ मैच में वो इंजर्ड हो गए थे एंड ही वाज टोल्ड दैट ही कुड नॉट प्ले अ 5 मैच टेस्ट सीरीज। ही मेड अ कमबैक ड्यूरिंग द आईपीएल एंड he played the first test match and he bowled more than 40 overs, and 40 overs of proper rhythm, proper proper force. He was bowling consistently at 140, 145, picking up wickets, probing the batsmen, challenging them at every time, at every ball. And I think that does take a toll on a bowler like him when the surrounding bowlers are not as supportive as they could be. बट नाउ गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, जब गौतम गंभीर ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोल दिया है कि जसप्रीत बुमराह विल ओनली प्ले 3 टेस्ट मैचेस, हाउ डू यू सी गोइंग फॉरवर्ड कि वो कौन से मैचेस खेलेंगे? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डेब्यूटेंट।
Um, Absolutely. He's basically like your trump card to maintain his fitness. अगर 3 मैच ही अलाउ कर रहा है जिसमें से एक अब यूज हो चुका है, although he gave his best, but कितने लोग का ही वर्कलोड उठा सकता है वो? आई वुड से कि एक एक मैच के लिए और बिठा के रख दो उसको, बिकॉज इवन इफ वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो इंडिया लूजेस इन द सेकंड टेस्ट that's coming, there's still chance for a 3 match comeback, right? जिसमें बुमराह maybe he can play 2 more and get the get, let's assume we win when he's playing, get the victories and there's a decider fifth game. So I think थोड़ा एक गेम का रेस्ट दे दो, then we'll see how it turns out.
See, there is an 8 days gap between the first and the second match. एंड एजबेस्टन में
Mhm.
मैच है, इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी अ फ्लैट विकेट। आदित्य, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहेंगी कि अगर बुमराह नहीं खेलते तो उनके एब्सेंस में किसको लाना चाहिए?
assuming that Edgbaston is a flat wicket, I don't think Bumrah should play. First of all, it would be the right decision to sort of give him a rest. Sorry for the disturbance. I wish I was in the gloomy skies of Edgbaston, but I'm under the dark sky of Chembur, Mumbai. But anyways, I think if it's a flat pitch, then Bumrah's services will sort of be wasted, as we saw in this match as well. Highly likely he'll have to bowl a lot of overs, which is not good for his workload. So then again, in his place, I think either you go with Arshdeep or you go with Akashdeep. Either I think even Siraj might have to sit this one out. I don't know if Gambhir is planning to give him another chance. But if not, then I think both Akashdeep and Arshdeep can play because they are sort of different. Akashdeep is sort of like Shami in a sense that he bowls seam up and he's pretty consistent in his line and length. And Arshdeep will be more of the swing bowler who will try to take early wickets. So I think it creates a good balance in that case.
Rehan, assuming that he does not play, or if he plays, then the third one is at Lords, which obviously he will be expected to play because Lords का wicket थोड़ा grass रहता है, there is the slope, and with the inexperience, obviously you want to win at Lords. Last year उन्होंने Lords में बहुत अच्छी innings खेली थी, last time around, sorry, and he was also one of those prime bowlers which helped India win that match. सो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, अगर वो कल नहीं, मतलब फिर नेक्स्ट मैच नहीं खेलते, तो अगले 3 टेस्ट मैच में से कौन से 2 खेलेंगे?
He should definitely play the third test match. I agree with Aditya that the second test match at Baston wicket would be flat.
करेक्ट।
Having said that, see, physical part is one aspect. Mentally, also, he must not be in that state of mind with the drop chances and luck not going his way,
Correct.
and India not winning that test match, it definitely affects you mentally. And I look at Prasidh Krishna missing out in the second test match
Hmm.
and Arshdeep making way for him. I also believe that spin wise, we are really not a threat with Jadeja. I see Kuldeep Yadav coming in. I think that he could be that X factor India need, because what is happening is that we seem to be stuck in a motion where we are able to give runs but not take wickets. I think with Kuldeep coming in, things could be a little different. But yeah, I don't see Prasidh with the run rate that he went with last time around, six in a test match where you're bowling almost close to 18-20 overs. That
Correct.
was shambolic from him. But yeah, I think Jasprit Bumrah would miss out on the second
So
test.
if he misses out on the second test, then the third test match is on the 10th of July, which is approximately 15 days from now. Enough rest to play the third. The fourth one is even 9 days after that. So safe to assume that he'll play the third and the fourth one. Given that fourth one is in Manchester, it is a pitch that spins a lot. So you might expect Kuldeep and Jadeja to both play over there. Let's hope that if he's needed in the fifth one, he's fit to play as well, the fourth one, because after that there is not a long time till I think December or something where India play Test cricket, and if India is playing in India, I don't think you will need the services of Jasprit Bumrah that much. So hopefully he plays four, but if he plays three, then I think we all can agree that he'll play the third and the fourth one. But the most important question is, what do we do when Bumrah is not there, and even if he's there, what about the supporting cast?